considering Australia as your study destination, then recent developments might impact your plans. The Australian government is proposing to cap international student enrollments, potentially limiting them to 30 to 35% of a university's population. Let's see what this means for you, especially if you are from India, and explore alternative pathways to achieve your academic dreams. So what exactly is being proposed? ऑस्ट्रेलियन गवर्नमेंट इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट के नंबर्स पर एक कैप इंप्लीमेंट करने का प्लान कर रही है, यानी restricting them to 30 to 35% of each university's total enrollment. This policy is part of broader efforts to manage migration levels and address infrastructure challenges in Australia, such as housing shortages and pressure on public services. The goal is to balance the benefits of international education with sustainable community growth. But why is Australia considering these caps now? Well, ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने एक सिग्निफिकेंट पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ देखी है जो मोस्टली ओवरसीज माइग्रेशन की वजह से हुई है। सिर्फ पिछले एक साल में 30 सितंबर तक अप्रोक्सीमेटली 3,79,800 लोग माइग्रेट हुए हैं। This surge has led to an increase of 1.8% in population, intensifying debates on migration caps among political leaders. प्राइम मिनिस्टर एंथनी अल्बनीज एम कर रहे हैं कि 2025 में ही इस माइग्रेशन को 2,50,000 तक रिड्यूस कर दिया जाए। Whereas opposition leader Peter Dutton proposes deeper cuts and stricter caps on international students. The primary concerns include housing shortages. Increased demand की वजह से property prices and rental costs बढ़ रही हैं, जिससे कि residents के लिए housing less affordable होती जा रही है। Secondly, infrastructure strain. Public services, including transportation and healthcare, are under pressure due to rapid population growth. Then comes labor market dynamics. Very crucial, there is a need to ensure that the influx of international students aligns with Australia's employment landscape and doesn't lead to job saturation in certain sectors. For Indian students, Australia काफी लंबे समय से एक preferred destination रही है for higher education. However, these proposed caps could have significant implications over it. Number one, increased competition. With limited spots available, gaining admission to Australian universities may become more competitive. Secondly, higher visa rejection rates. Stricter policies could lead to increased scrutiny of visa applications, potentially raising rejection rates. Thirdly, shift in preferred destinations. Students who might be other alternative countries consider करनी पड़े for quality education if Australia becomes less accessible. The proposal has elicited mixed reactions within Australia's education sector. Number one, financial concerns. For revenue, universities rely ही international students पर करती हैं. Caps could lead to funding shortfalls affecting resources and research initiatives. Secondly, academic diversity. International students enrich campus culture and perspectives. और उनके numbers को limit करने से वो diversity reduce हो सकती है, जो कि students के लिए actually beneficial होती है. Thirdly, policy critics. Some education leaders argue that caps might harm Australia's reputation as a welcoming destination for international scholars. Given these developments, it's prudent to explore other countries offering quality education. Number one, Canada, जो कि अपनी inclusive policies and diverse campuses के लिए जाना जाता है. Canada offers robust post-graduation work opportunities to students. Secondly, United Kingdom, with its rich academic heritage, UK provide करता है wide array of programs and a multicultural environment. Number three, New Zealand. Known for its welcoming environment and quality education system, New Zealand provide करता है various scholarships for international students. Number 4, Ireland. With a growing reputation in technology and business education, Ireland offer करता है post-study work visas and a vibrant cultural scene to its students. To navigate these changes effectively, stay informed. Number 1. Regularly check official university and government websites for updates on policies and application deadlines. Secondly, enhance your profile. आप engage करो extracurricular activities में, gain relevant work experience and achieve strong academic results, जिससे कि आपकी applications strengthen हो. Thirdly, consult education advisors. Seek guidance from professionals to explore alternative destinations and programs that align with your career goal. While Australia's proposed caps present new challenges, they also open doors to explore diverse educational landscapes worldwide. Remember, आपकी adaptability और proactive approach ही इन challenges को opportunities में बदल सकती हैं. So stay resilient and keep striving toward your academic aspirations. And if you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest things in global education. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.